Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So in today's video I'll be trying something new, meaning I haven't tried it in a while. Like I haven't attempted French tip. I have not attempted French tip since the day I did that reverse French on that lady. Not even on myself. I haven't attempted it on anybody else. But as usual, you have to do your prep work. So you push back the cuticles, clean around the cuticles. Then you shape the nails. It's an optional. You don't have to shape the nail if you don't want to shape the nails. So I usually shape it very round. Shape it round so you know that I won't get any sharp edges when I'm finished sculpting the nail. Even though you know what I'm saying. So I do that. I round the nails. I buff the nails, and then I add my primer. I move on to my sculpted forms. This is something that I don't do on a regular basis, and I realize that I'm growing out of tips, and I really do like sculpted forms. Sculpted form was one of my weaknesses. Like, oh, why do I gotta do it now? It's so messy, it takes so long, it's so hard. Guys, practice makes permanent or perfect. So the reason as to why I'm trying French tip today is because I was watching Chrissy from Neo Nails and how she did her French tip, and I thought just like, wow, she made it seem so simple. I was like, I have to try, I can't give up, I have to try. Even if I don't try it on someone, I'm going to try it on myself. So when it's spoiled for me, spoiled for nobody else. So I tried her method, made an oval. Guys, I'm not artistic. I don't have a bone in my body. If you realize when I started shaping the oval on the nail, how crooked it wasn't right. It just did not look right, and I was kind of skeptical about it. And I was like, no girl, let's go. You can do this. Don't worry about it. Go on through. And I went through. I liked it at the end. I like the end result that I get. I mean, it can be better, but for the first attempt, or the second attempt that I made, I'm really proud of myself. So before I actually came on camera and flapped myself, I did my thumbs. That's why they were done before any other nail. So I did it, and I was proud of myself. Literally, I was shocked. I was looking. You could see me observing. It's like, did I do that? Did I really just do that? Like, yeah, practice does make perfect. And tell her this was my second attempt. That goes to show you how great Chrissy from Neil is. Her steps. I think that it was that she was teaching class for how many days? I think it was a one-on-one class, and I think it was an amazing step-by-step instruction on how to create a French dip. If it's not a perfect French dip, a French dip, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. After I shaped to my liking, I observe. I was like, yes, I'm ready for the next step. And then I was like, yeah, I think I nailed it. Here, I don't like using white. White is messy, and I think my liquid to powder was off. I think it should have been more wet because it wasn't manipulating to how I wanted it to go. But guess what? It came out, and I was loving it. But what I realized is that my ratio. The ratio of powder to liquid was off, and it wasn't manipulating to where I wanted it to go. It was the combination was very dry. And if you realize that I had a kind of a dip in the nail, or no, it was an obvious separation between the nude and the white. So I had to add some of the white, on top of the nude, just to get that perfect transition. But say you're going to buff off the white of the nude, so I had no worries. It was fine. But in the end, I think I don't think I really like the result that I got. I really do think it, and I think anybody who's out there who's struggling with this, go and check Chrissy from Neon Years Old. She explained stuff really good. Or you just can stay here and watch my video and learn from me. How about that? Is a win-win? I do think it's a win-win. And it's like, yeah. And I'm like, I do appreciate these moments when persons, who are in the profession, and you as a professional can learn from each other, because never in my mind I thought that I could do a French. Guys, I'm literally a fan. I like straight polish, I like straight acrylic. I don't like anything to do with being artistic. But it's about becoming comfortable. It's about trying new things, and I think I'm at that stage where I'm willing to try new things. Yeah, and I was there observing. It's like, did I really do that? I was proud of me, very proud of me. So go and check out Chrissy from Neon Nail. She explained it to the T. So after I did all of the nails, I was satisfied. Even the pinky. Let us not even talk about that. Like, I covered it. I was like, oh no, 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 no. What went wrong? You know when you're doing so well and that one nail on your hand decides to it mess up everything. That was the pinky that night. I don't know what happened, but I was not liking that pinky, so I did cover it up. But I was going to try a multicolored French tip, and I don't know if I like it. It was a